Look, the Easter Bunny came. Go see what the Easter Bunny brought.
Look, what is that?
Look. The Easter Bunny brought that for you. What is it? What is it, Sean?
Who's that?
Bob.
Bob.
The Easter Bunny must have known that you like SpongeBob.
Bob.
Yeah?
Bob. Bob.
And there's your cat.
Patrick.
Bob. Bob. Bob.
Yay.
Bob.
Look at this, Sean. Look at this. How does this work? Oh, there's a button in the front. Look. Look, push the button. All right. Cool.